This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by the Swanson Group. First floor unit offers easy access with no stairs. Unit can be owner-occupied or a rental. Nice open floor plan. Easy maintenance and all carpets have been replaced with vinyl plank flooring. Bonus room can serve many purposes, ideal for a small home office. Spacious laundry room has extra storage. Patio and living room look over pond frequented by ducks. Don't miss the beautiful clubhouse and exercise area. These units have proven to be great investments. For more information, review the details below.